Buying a business is an exciting time and an opportunity for financial success and freedom. Being your own boss can be a really attractive prospect, and acquiring an existing business means that instead of starting from a blank page, you get the benefit of an existing customer base, strong relationships with suppliers, established systems within a business, and experienced staff. But whilst it's an exciting time and opportunity, it's critical that you understand and consider, as well as evaluate, all aspects of the transaction before you commit to buying a business. Here at Clark Hemmerling Lawyers, we have experts in commercial law and employment law to advise you on all aspects of buying a business, including helping you to identify any challenges before you commit to the purchase. We can draft and advise you on the contract for sale, ensuring that all aspects of the transaction are properly documented and understood by you. We can also help you review the business structure, lease arrangements, employment agreements, and check that the agreements are in place with suppliers and service providers. By doing this, we can ensure that your interests are protected. When considering to buy a business, there are a number of things that you need to consider and review. Some of the things that you might consider is, why is a business on the market? A business may be placed on the market for any number of reasons. The owner may simply be ready to retire or have been planning retirement for some time. In some cases, people with a good business may be carrying debt that's manageable when times for the business are good. But when there is a downturn, this could see the failure of the business, and they may be choosing to sell instead of facing this pressure. Buying a business in the latter instance could be really detrimental to you. What is a business worth and what's included? Is there plant, stock, equipment, goodwill? A valuation of these matters will assist in breaking down the costs for all tangible and intangible assets that are included in the sale. Does the business have any liabilities that might affect the price? Are you buying the assets and goodwill or the shares in the existing company? And if so, what skeletons might be in the closet for that existing company that you need to be aware of? What are the tax implications on the purchase? What intellectual property does a business have that you need to make sure comes with the transaction and the purchase? Will existing employees continue? What arrangements need to be put in place for them? What restraint of trade is needed or appropriate for the existing owner to protect the business that you are purchasing? Have you reviewed the company constitution or shareholders agreement? Do the owners in fact know where they are? Are there confidentiality and privacy issues you need to be aware of? Is a business premises leased, and what issues are there surrounding the transfer of the lease, and are you happy with the terms of the lease? As you can see, there's a lot to consider, and this is just the tip of the iceberg. Here at Clark Hemmerling Lawyers, we can help you resolve these and many other issues related to buying a business. So when buying a business, please proceed with caution. What is being put forward as a business being sold might not be the entire picture, or might be a little bit misleading in relation to certain aspects. So it's important that you seek advice early so a proper due diligence can be undertaken to assess the risks that you might have before you sign on that dotted line. The legal experts here at Clark Hemmerling Lawyers will assist you with all aspects of buying a business to ensure you're getting a good deal, you're properly protected, and you can hit the ground running without any hiccups.